at the pull-out kitchen. The gas bottle will just hook up to here. To get the gas bottle off, come around the back. We'll have a ladder in here. The ladder just fold out. Hooks into these little hooks here. And then you can get up on the back. Undo these straps here. Pull that all the way out. And that will come out of there. Same with this ratchet here. Comes out there. That all the way out. That'll come off. And the gas bottle comes out. And then it's just in reverse when you want to put that back on. Slide that back over the top. These down through this hole here. Same on the other side. That through there. Tighten that up as tight as you can go. And then come around the other side here. And you just feed that through the back here. Pull it out. And you're going to ratchet that as tight as you can get it. Give it a wiggle. Go again. That's it.